Most creators are wave riders. They see a trend, they make a video, and by the time they hit publish, the wave has already crashed. But the most successful channels are wave makers. They don't follow trends. They predict them. Today, I'm showing you the exact AI-powered system to spot the next viral explosion weeks before your competitors even know it exists. If you want to stop chasing views and start leading the market, this is the blueprint you've been waiting for. Welcome back to Social Growth Blueprint. In our last video, we looked at multiplying your content. Now, we're focusing on the substance of that content. In 2026, speed is everything, but accuracy is the winner. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use AI answer engines and data analysis to find high-demand, low-competition topics that are about to blow up. Let's look into the data. To find a trend early, you have to look where others aren't. Most people just look at the trending tab. By then, it's too late. We use AI to identify microsignals. These are small spikes in interest within niche communities, Discord, Reddit, or the comment sections of industry leaders. We're moving from broad interest to early intent. When you find a problem that people are just starting to talk about, and you provide the AI-driven solution, you aren't just a creator, you are a pioneer. This mindset shift is the difference between a few hundred views and a million. You don't need a crystal ball. You need the right tools. We're going to use a combination of Google Trends and ChatGPT's advanced data analysis features. Feed the AI the last 90 days of search data for your subniche. Ask the AI to identify upward trajectories and unanswered questions. For example, if AI for small business is rising, but no one is talking about AI for local bakeries, that is your gap. You are looking for the next logical step in the conversation. Use exploding topics or ChatGPT to cross-reference these gaps with high-volume keywords to ensure there is an audience waiting for you. Your competitors' comment sections are a goldmine for future trends. People literally tell you what they want next. Use an AI tool to scrape the top 50 comments from a viral video in your niche. Ask the AI, what is the number one thing these viewers are still confused about? That confusion is your next viral topic. By solving the problem that the big creators missed, you position Social Growth Blueprint as the high-level authority. You are fulfilling a demand that is already proven to exist, but isn't being met. Once you find a potential trend, don't just record. Validate it first. Create 3 different AI-generated thumbnails using Leonardo.ai or Canva Magic Media that focus on different angles of the trend. Use a small community post or a short to see which angle gets the most interest clicks. This micro-testing ensures that when you spend time on a 15-minute video, you already know the audience is hungry for that specific hook. We don't guess in this blueprint. We verify. A trend has a shelf life. Once you've validated it, you must move. This is where your Faceless Creator's AI toolkit becomes your weapon. Use ChatGPT to generate the modular script based on the validated hook. Use 11 Labs for the narration to keep it professional and fast. Because your production is automated, you can go from trend spotted to video uploaded in hours, not days. While your competitors are still brainstorming, you are already owning the search results. Speed is the final pillar of the wave maker. The future belongs to those who see it coming. I want to know, what is a topic in your niche that you think is about to explode? Tell me in the comments, and I'll use my AI tools to tell you if the data backs it up. If you want my trend spotting prompt to help you find these gaps yourself, hit that like button and subscribe to Social Growth Blueprint. We are building empires here, and we aren't slowing down. Check the description for our updated Month 2 scaling tools. Prediction is just another word for preparation. In our next video, we're doing a deep dive into secret AI tools for rapid growth, the software that the big channels are keeping to themselves. I'll see you there.